I'm back. Alright, this is the Hydroponic Day 26 update. Kind of some fun details. I got a little more of the coding done for that hydroponic system, and as I said, I think I'm nearing the completion of part 1 of that. So, look forward to that, and then I'm really excited to get that done. And then, as far as this batch goes, what you call it? The right tank's finally growing a little more, so that's good. And then that's kind of really the only thing that's happening, just things are getting big. And we're getting a lot of success from this grow light spectrum rather than the other, which is good because that is kind of what we were hoping for. So the next thing we'll do is just increase CO2 ppm and see how much that affects it. Anyways, let's get into our update for today. Alrighty, so starting off, we are running at 570 for CO2 ppm, 25 degrees Celsius, and 60% humidity. So just a little less humid than yesterday, but it's no problem at all. Let's graph that and let's check this out. Inside the grow chamber, we're seeing kind of some cool stuff. This plant is leaning, which makes me think that it might be a little weak. And then the roots on here, they are growing. It's very slow though, so kind of sucks, but whatever. And then the left tank is quite the contrary. We still have those kind of interesting brown lines in the middle, but notice how nothing is going to that flowering stage. We really didn't jump the gun, so kind of cool. And then below the tank, kind of an absurd amount of roots if you ask me, but that's good. Anyway, let's check pH, ppm, and EC for today. We are running at 6.55. Let's check our EC and ppm. ppm for the right tank is running at 960. EC of 1920, and temperature of 22.9. Let's check out the left tank. Alrighty, left tank pH is running at 6.94. Let's check out our ppm and EC for this tank. Alrighty, ppm is running at 1039, EC of 2078, and temperature of 22.9. Let's graph those, then let's look at our graphs for today. Alrighty. So, environmental factors today are pretty much the same as yesterday, so kind of an interesting thing there. And then the pH in the right tank is up just a smidge, and then the EC and the ppm are the same, so not a lot of consumption over there. And then the left tank, we have a spike in pH, that's from the pH up I put in yesterday, and a drop in the ppm very slightly, and an EC staying stable. So, yeah. Also, I did damage a leaf today, so I'm going to be recording a quick video on my attempt to fix it. Hope you guys enjoy. Tune in for tomorrow's update.